Content marketing is always evolving. It means different things to different people. For content to be viral and on point, it needs to have the perfect strategy and a doable timeline. Behind all strategic and viral content is a trend-savvy content manager. Emapta is looking for a content manager. We're on the lookout for people with these qualities. 1. Ambitious. They want to position their business and brand as the dominant thought leader in their industry. Ambitious content marketers do not just settle for writing great content, they strive to create the best content. They work hard to ensure their content reaches the right audience by aggressively promoting it. 2. Create value. Not all content is created equal. That's why the best content managers make consumers decide why they should buy. Because of their empathy, they can make relatable and relevant content audiences easily resonate with. 3. Creative. Creating content that rises above the noise takes creativity and the desire to break away from cookie-cutter content. 4. Objective marketers. Great content managers possess the ability to unite the power of benefits and create a good narrative to make it more appealing and get more audiences opting in. 5. Has great research skills. Research is the cornerstone for producing exceptional content. That's because you need to gather a lot of data and information before creating any single piece of content. 6. Can meet tight deadlines. Strong project management skills are what every content manager needs to be in sync with hundreds of projects, deadlines, events, and requests. This person needs to have the presence of mind to meet and follow a strict publishing schedule. Emapta believes in giving talented people equal job opportunities every day. Got the smarts, expertise, and the confidence for this role? We'd love to hear from you. Send us your application today.